Our journey started 5 years ago, inspired by the UN's call for action to use insects for food security and the fact that more than 1/3 of our food is wasted. We set out to convert food waste to proteins in the home. We did lots of research and finally created the hive, the world's first smart insect home. Today, our hives are in hundreds of homes around the world, and the movement is growing. That's why we designed Hive Explorer, a smart insect home starter set. It is not only a product for effective recycling, but a tool of a movement to incorporate the UN Sustainable Development Goals into the daily learning and living of people around the world. The hive is a beautiful micro-ecosystem. It works plug and play and provides the perfect conditions for mealworms. Sensors measure temperature and humidity, and a fan and heat plate make sure that the insects are always healthy and happy. With our hive and mealworm starter colony, you can start growing your superpower mealworms by recycling your food waste. It's a closed-loop system and easily separates and collects the byproducts which become precious fertilizer for your plants. Hive Explorer makes a great exploration kit for safe exploring. Together with the Hive Explorer magazine, you can run exciting science experiments, like tracking the growth of your insects, or coming up with your own ideas to engineer sustainable food systems. It's the first education set to combine biology and technology, making it ideal for STEM education. At Live in Farms, we believe that if we and the next generation want to live healthy lives, we have to start building the tools and skills for this healthy future today. We have put a lot of work into getting the Hive Explorer ready for production. But in order to get it into your hands, we need your help. The funds raised in this campaign will be used to pay for tooling and to kick off production. In order to make Hive Explorer a reality, we need your help. Join this movement of thousands of people around the world. Help us build Hive Explorer and help empower people to co-create a healthier future today. Thank you.
Relax and watch them grow. Simply plant the seed and tell the app until you can enjoy the harvest, showing you exactly what to do to make sure that your plants are in the best shape ever. And then watch them come alive right from your smartphone.
Introducing our latest technology, Asbara. Asbara is a hydroponic smart grower that helps you grow fresh and healthy-to-eat vegetables and herbs right on your kitchen countertop. It allows you to grow anywhere, anytime, anything easily without soil. Our innovative technologies include adjustable LED grow light that caters to the needs of your plants at different growth stages. Automatic watering system that water your plants when needed and creates a natural water flow. Also, built-in smart sensors monitor, detect, report, and record growth conditions in the system. It comes with an Asbara app, a community platform for support. Connect your smart grower with our app. You can monitor how your plants are doing and control different settings. In just 30 days, you can harvest your vegetables and herbs. Asbara is a simple and easy way to eat fresh and healthy foods while bonding and sharing with others. Select from our large varieties of seed capsules. We guarantee a 100% germination rate. No matter you are a planting beginner, a master chef wannabe, someone who enjoys healthy eating, or you care so much about your family. Asbara is what you need. Time to start a healthy lifestyle. Beckett's now on Kickstarter.